Alright, let's remove these two screws. I'm only taking them out by hand like that because of the camera. I'm trying to give you guys the best view. So here's the part we're going to be adjusting. And if you know me, I like to clean stuff when I got it apart. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, let's loosen these screws. I know my big hand may be in the way. And that should allow this blade to move. I don't know if you guys can see. You can see how that blade moves. There you go. You can see how that blade moves. So if you rub it like this, you feel it's really sharp. So what you want to do is put it on a flat surface and just tilt it just a hair. Can you see that? Yeah. So remember, I'll start over. So right now I got it pretty sharp. So put it on a flat surface, hard table, just tilt it just like a hair forward, and then tighten it down. I don't have the right tools for this today. Just something quick I tried to throw together because I was cutting my hair. And I noticed it wasn't acting right. Now that I got it, I think, where I want it, let me just tighten this down really tight so that it doesn't move. There. If you rub it, it should be a little smooth. Mine doesn't feel a little smooth, so that's pretty sharp still. So I probably need to tilt it forward a little bit more. Let's see, can you see that on camera? I'm trying to get the angle so you can see how the blades lined up. It's really not allowing that. But I'm gonna leave mine like this for now. Try it out. See how I like it. Cause I kind of do want a little fine, but you don't want to be bleeding. Just working with this just to make sure it's nice and loose while I got it all apart. And you put it back together and tighten her down. Oh, so make sure this part lines up on this part in your clipper. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see, there you go. See how that lines up? And you want to line that up, 'cause that's what makes your blade move. You put your screws back in. You don't want big screwdrivers, but you don't want micro screwdrivers either. Alright. Let me get my screw Hope you notice I got the fan going here. I'm blowing stuff all over the place. So I tighten this back down. Get that nice and tight, but I really don't want to over tighten it. I've actually had these clippers for a long time and been messing with these screws for a long time.